Serendipity. A happy accident or pleasant surprise. Finding my old friend in the market was pure serendipity. Quaint. Charmingly old-fashioned. They stayed in a quaint little cottage by the lake. Dazzling. Extremely bright or impressive. She wore a dazzling dress that caught everyone's attention. Wanderlust. A strong desire to travel. His wanderlust made him explore different countries every year. Tranquil. Peaceful and calm. The garden was so tranquil that I felt completely relaxed. Mellifluous. Sweet and smooth-sounding. Her mellifluous voice calmed everyone in the room. Jubilant. Feeling great joy. The team was jubilant after winning the match. Ephemeral. Lasting for a very short time. Beauty is often ephemeral and fades with time. Luminous. Full of light or glowing. The moon looked luminous in the clear night sky. Euphoria. A feeling of intense happiness. She felt euphoria when she got her dream job. Nostalgia. A longing for the past. Old songs fill me with nostalgia. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from difficulties. She is resilient and never gives up easily. Breathtaking. Amazing or awe-inspiring. The view from the mountain was breathtaking. Solitude. The state of being alone peacefully. He enjoyed the solitude of the forest. Vibrant. Full of energy and life. The city has a vibrant culture. Ethereal. delicate, light, and otherworldly. The sunrise looked ethereal over the ocean. Blissful. Extremely happy or peaceful. They spent a blissful afternoon in the park. Majestic. Grand and impressive. The majestic eagle soared through the sky. Gratitude. Thankfulness. She expressed gratitude for everyone's support. Radiant. Shining brightly. Her radiant smile lit up the room. Harmonious. Forming a pleasing whole. The colors in the painting are harmonious.
Captivating.
Holding attention. The storyteller had a captivating voice. Flourish. To grow or develop well. Flowers flourish in the spring. Gleaming. Shining brightly. The floor was clean and gleaming. Delightful. Very pleasing. We had a delightful evening with friends.